Chapter 2 Ganit Manjari. So what is the chapter? Introduction to linear polynomial. So now first I will give you some key points in this chapter. These are algebraic expression. What do you understand by algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a combination of variables, constant and mathematical operations that does not have an equal sign. If we will give equal sign, then it will be equation, not an algebraic expression. So which point we had gone through? Variables, then constant and mathematical operations. So what is a variable? Variable itself says it will vary. That means whose value can change, not fixed. Generally they are variable, and generally they are denoted by letters as a, v, x and y. For every value of a, it is changed. Suppose a is 2 for an equation. A may be 3, may be 4, may be 5. Similarly, x and y, its value also not fixed. Now come to constants. Constant, a term which has a fixed value but don't have variables with it. So which are the constants? 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are constants. Now I would like to give an example of algebraic expression. Algebraic expression carries what? Algebraic expression carries variables, constant and mathematical operation. What are the the mathematical operations are what? Plus, minus, into and division. So 2x square plus 3x plus 5. So this is an algebraic expression. Here each part is a term. 2x square, 3x and 5. Each part is a term. And x is the variable. Here x and here is x square. That means x is a variable for this algebraic expression. And the terms are 2x square, 3x and 5. How many terms are there? 3 terms. 1, 2 and 3. 5 is a constant where 3x and 2x square are variables. Now come to coefficient. What do you understand by coefficient? It is the numerical value multiplied with variable. ये जो numerical value variable के साथ multiply हुए ना, यही तुम लोगों का coefficient है. जैसे कि 2x square to x square. So the coefficient of x square, if I will ask you coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square, it is equal to 2. If I will ask coefficient of x, then it is 3. It is 3. Now come to the degree of the polynomial. What is the degree? Here the equation is 2x square plus 3x plus 5. The highest power of the algebraic expression. The algebraic expression is 2x square plus 3x plus 5. And the highest power is x. Highest power is 2. The variable is x. Its highest power is 2. So the degree is equal to, this implies degree is equal to 2. Now come to one variable polynomial. What do you understand by one variable polynomial? When an algebraic expression involves one variable and its power is called one variable polynomial. It is univariable, only one variable. There is no other variable. Here the question 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Here the variable is x. Here the variable is x. It is one variable or univariable polynomial. though its degree is 2. Though its degree is 2. Then linear polynomial. What is a linear polynomial? The polynomial of degree 1. The polynomial of degree 1. It is the linear polynomial. Suppose I will write 2x plus 3. It is a linear polynomial. Then quadratic polynomial. The polynomial of degree 2. I had given the equation 2x square plus 3x plus 5. It is a quadratic polynomial. Here the power is 2. And third is the cubic polynomial. The polynomial of degree 3. X cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Here degree is 3. Here degree is 3. Here x, power of x is 3. X square and y, it is 3. X and y square 3. Y and 3. Here the power is 3. It is a cubic polynomial. You also can write it in one variable, x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 5. It is also a cubic polynomial. Now we will solve some problem based on this theorem. Degree of the polynomial. These are the questions from your book, Ganit Manjari. Find the degree of the polynomial. 2x square minus 5x plus 3. What is the highest degree? Highest degree is 2. So answer is 2. How you will write? The degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is 2. Now what is the degree? Minus 9. Here it is a constant polynomial. It is a constant polynomial. Constant polynomial means only constants are there. That means the power of the variable is 0. Power of the variable is 0. So what we will write? The degree of the polynomial is 0. The degree of the polynomial is 0. Are you clear? अब समझ में आ रहा है तुम लोगों का? The degree of the polynomial is 0. In any constant, the degree of the polynomial is 0. Now come to the next. What is the coefficient? Coefficient of z, z square and z cube. This is also another question from your book Ganit Manjari. First exercise 2.1. For z cube, the coefficient of 4z cube. When you will get the question that to find the coefficient, it will ask the coefficient of a particular term or the coefficient of every term, not totally, not a complete question for an algebraic expression. Are you clear? पूरा एक्सप्रेशन के लिए कोफिशिएंट हम पूछ नहीं सकते. क्या पूछेंगे? ईच टर्म का कोफिशिएंट क्या है, ईच वेरिएबल का कोफिशिएंट क्या है. सो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ जेड. सो व्हाट यू विल राइट? कोफिशिएंट ऑफ जेड. हियर नो जेड is 0. Coefficient of z is 0. That is the power of z is equal to 0. Coefficient of z square is equal to what? Z square 5. Coefficient of z square is 5. Then coefficient of z cube. Coefficient of z cube is 4. Coefficient of z cube is 4. Are you clear? अभी समझ में आया? जब कोफिशिएंट के बाद तुम सोचोगे तो न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू तुमको लेना पड़ेगा. What is the constant term of the polynomial? Here 9x cube, 5x square minus 8x minus 10. So the constant term is 10. The constant, so answer is constant is 10. Constant is 10. And the terms are And what are the terms? Find the terms. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. The terms are 9x cube, 5x square and 8x and 10. And 10. Are you clear? Now come to linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? Linear polynomial, it is the polynomial whose power is 1. The algebraic expression whose power is 1 is known as the linear polynomial. Are you clear? समझ में आ रहा है? देखो x plus 50 पावर क्या है x का 1, 4x plus 2 1, 7y minus x और 1, y का भी 1, x का भी 1. So here also you have to follow some pattern. What is linear pattern? Actually, linear pattern, it was not introduced in your previous book. It is completely new in this book. Actually, linear pattern, it is a sequence. It is a sequence or relationship where values increase or decrease by the exact same amount each step. What it is? X, suppose तुम गेम खेलने जा रहे हो और तुमको वहाँ एंट्री फीस 200 रुपीज़ देना पड़ रहा है, लेकिन ये कंडीशन है कि जितने बार तुम खेलोगे उतना 50 रुपीज़ तुमको ज़्यादा देना पड़ेगा. तो एक बार अगर खेलोगे तो कितना देना पड़ेगा? 200 एंट्री फी प्लस 50. 2 टाइम्स खेलोगे तो कितना देना पड़ेगा? 2 मैच अगर खेलोगे तो कितना देना पड़ेगा? वही एंट्री फीस 200, 50 प्लस 50 कितना हुआ? 100. 3 टाइम्स खेलोगे तो कितना पड़ेगा? ये था 200, वो है 150. दैट मीन्स 50 रुपीज़ each match you have to pay more. This is the pattern. This is the pattern or sequence. I want to give one numerical example. जैसे कि 3 you have to add 4, it will be 7. If you will add 4, it will be 11. If you will add 4, then it will be 15. If you will add 4, then it will be 19. This is the linear patterns. Now come to linear equation. So what do you understand by linear equation? When we equate a linear polynomial in one variable to a constant, we get a linear equation. अगर एक linear polynomial को कैसे linear polynomial जिसका वेरिएबल लेके अगर इसको कोई एक constant वैल्यू के साथ हम इक्वल करते हैं तब जाके linear equation बनता है. अदरवाइज इट इज़ ए linear algebraic expression, बस एक algebraic expression है. इक्वेशन ना दे तो ये linear equation नहीं होगा. इक्वल साइन अगर ना दे 2x plus 20 equals to 0, 3y minus 60 equals to 0. Equal sign given, we equate this as 0, we equate this as 0. From this we also can find the value. So 2x plus 20 equal to 0. 2x plus 20 equal to 0. Then 2x equal to how much? 2x equal to minus 20. This implies x equal to minus 10. Similarly 3y minus 60 equal to 0. 3y equals to 60. This implies y equal to 20. You can find the value or you can solve the problem in this way. Now come to function. What is a function? This is also completely new for you. Actually the function, relation, all these things are before it was in plus 2 level. Here also what I had taught linear pattern. Linear pattern it was before it was in class 10. Just here the hints are given to you in the new syllabus. So function, what is the definition of a function? A rule that links an input to exactly one output. A rule, there must be a rule for which if you will put an input, you will get an exact one output. Fx equal to 2x plus 3 and you will write the function as fx. Generally we write the function y equal to fx. What? Y equal to fxj function. Y is the value what you have to get, and x is the value for which you have to put the inputs. Suppose x is equal to 1 and 2, 3. This much. What will be fx? F1 you will write, it will be 2 into 1 plus 3. What will be the value? 2 into 1, 2 plus 3. It is 5. So F2 it will be 2 into 2 plus 3. 2 2s are 4 plus 3, 7. Similarly, you can find as your wish. Then 2x plus 3, it is a linear function. If I will write 10x minus x square, it is a quadratic function. One is linear function, another is quadratic function. For this, you can solve linear function 2x plus 3. I solved second one, 10x minus x square. It is fx. So for x is equal to 1, 2, 3. So f1, y is equal to fx, y is equal to f1. This is equal to 10 into 1 minus 1 square. What will be? 10 minus 1, it is 9. If I will put 2, f2, then 10 into 2 minus 2 square. This is 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. Similarly, you can find more. And you will read more in the class. Which class you will get it? In class 11. Relation and function. The range and the domain also you will know in that time. What is the range? What is the domain? The function. Now come to the question. 2.2. Question number 1. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 3 if x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Only one I will solve. The rest you have to find. If x equal to 5x minus 3. X equal to 0. Y equal to 5x minus 3. Fx is equal to y is equal to 5x minus 3. X equal to 0. That means f0 is equal to 5 into 0 minus 3. That means 0 minus 3. The value is minus 3. Are you clear? Similarly, this other two you have to find. Find the value of the quadratic polynomial. 7x square minus 4x. 7s square minus 4s plus 6. If s equal to minus 3, put f minus 3. Put f minus 3. This is equal to 7 into minus 3 whole square minus 4 into minus 3 plus 6. Are you clear? समझ में आ रहा है ना? जो भी वैल्यू देगा उसी को x की जगह में तुम लोगों को पुट करना पड़ेगा. जहाँ भी x है, जहाँ भी s है, जहाँ भी वेरिएबल है, वही गिवन वैल्यू जो है उसे पुट करना है. आफ्टर दैट यू विल गेट द वैल्यू. समझ में आ रहा है ना? 7 इंटू माइनस 3 का स्क्वायर क्या है? माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस 3 इंटू 3 9 माइनस हियर माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस 4 3 जा 12 प्लस 6. आर यू क्लियर? 9 7 जा 63 प्लस 12 प्लस 6. It is 81. The answer is 81. Up to this tomorrow. In the next class, we will go through the next chapter. Thank you.